Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can fix the issues that when you just try to sign in with your Apple ID, just going to the settings and just try to sign in your Apple ID and just saying that your password is incorrect whenever you try to correct password. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone or your iPad? So this first step is that you just go to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So make sure you just disconnect VPN from here. So if you don't have that option, just go to general section and just scroll it down and see the option of a VPN and device management. Just click on it and just turn off VPN from here. After that, you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone or maybe iPad. So many users facing issue during the sign-in of the Apple ID. So make sure you have just updated the latest iOS version. After that, just scroll down and see the option about transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on reset the network settings from here. After doing all these steps, I'm gonna tell that in this video. So try again if your problem gonna solve. So if not, then you just have it just for another step. Sign out and restart your iPhone. So make sure you just have to just restart your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume up button and restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, just try to sign in again. If your sign out is blocked and skip and they're saying that you don't sign in and your password adding issue again and again. So to follow the steps 3, the restart your Apple ID password. So just go to the Apple ID password and just change the password of your ID. So just go to the Safari and just try to sign in your Apple ID here. And after Apple ID sign in, just restart your Apple ID. Restart the password of your Apple ID and just change the password and set a new password after restart your iPhone and again sign in with a new password in the settings of the Apple ID. Just try to sign in of Apple ID from here and sign in with your new password. After that, your fixes catch password mismatch is gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.